Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Time King. Becoming a Time King means mastering your schedule and achieving your goals efficiently. We'll start by setting clear objectives, then move into prioritizing what truly matters. Breaking down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps is key to avoiding overwhelm and making steady progress. This foundational work sets you up for success. Next, let's talk about effective planning. Develop a consistent daily or weekly schedule, allocating specific time blocks for your tasks. Utilize digital calendars or planning apps to visualize your commitments and deadlines. Remember to intentionally schedule short breaks throughout your day. These pauses are crucial for maintaining your energy levels and preventing mental fatigue, keeping you productive. Now, let's focus on mastering execution. Minimize distractions by silencing notifications and closing irrelevant browser tabs. Embrace single tasking, dedicating your full attention to one item at a time for maximum efficiency. Regularly review your progress against your plan. This allows you to identify any roadblocks and make necessary adjustments, ensuring you stay on track towards your objectives. Finally, continuous improvement is vital for long-term success. Take time to reflect on your daily or weekly achievements and any challenges you faced. Pinpoint specific areas where your time management strategies could be refined. Don't forget to celebrate your small victories along the way. This boosts your motivation and reinforces positive habits, helping you truly become a Time King.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.